Persistent heavy legs, joint pain, cracking, or stiffness at the end of the day may not solely be attributable to aging. Dietary choices play a significant role. This guide explores 15 foods that naturally stimulate collagen production. Collagen is a vital protein for maintaining firm joints, alleviating leg swelling, and enhancing overall mobility. Discover practical ways to incorporate these effective and sometimes surprising ingredients into your daily regimen, and understand how their synergistic effects can offer a more potent solution than many expensive supplements. If your goal is to revitalize your joint health, reduce swelling, and regain ease of movement, the following information provides a natural path forward. 15. Boiled chicken feet. Chicken feet are a concentrated source of type 2 collagen, essential for rebuilding cartilage, particularly in heavily worn joints. When boiled, they release abundant natural gelatin, which acts as a biological adhesive, supporting joint structural integrity, firmness, and mobility. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing frequent joint pain or swollen legs, as the collagen helps cushion impacts and reduce local inflammation. Regular consumption can enhance these anti-inflammatory effects. Furthermore, type 2 collagen contributes to the elasticity of the skin on the legs, improving firmness and tone. For optimal collagen extraction, slow, low-heat cooking is recommended, e.g., pressure cooking for at least 1 hour. The resulting gelatinous broth signifies successful collagen release and can be used as a nutritious base for other dishes. 14. Fish broth. Cooking fish with bones, such as sardines or fish heads, facilitates the release of collagen and essential minerals. The collagen derived from these parts strengthens tendons, ligaments, and joints, aiding in the prevention of common wear and tear. Concurrently, calcium and phosphorus from the bones contribute to bone and muscle maintenance. Marine collagen found in these broths is known for its high bioavailability, meaning the body can easily absorb and utilize these nutrients. This is particularly beneficial for individuals already experiencing joint pain. The amino acids glycine and proline present in fish collagen also help lubricate joints naturally, easing discomfort during movement. The mild flavor of bone-based broths allows for versatile culinary applications, enriching soups, sauces, and rice dishes. Caution: ensure all bones are strained out before consumption to prevent a choking hazard. 13. Egg white. Egg whites are a rich natural source of proline and glycine, two amino acids crucial for collagen production. These nutrients are vital for maintaining joint integrity and aiding the recovery of connective tissues. Regular consumption can help rebuild the structures that cushion impacts between bones, reducing the risk of inflammation and chronic pain. Additionally, egg whites are high in quality protein, which supports muscle strengthening. Stronger muscles around joints lessen the direct load on them. Being low in calories and fat, egg whites are also suitable for weight management, which is crucial for reducing stress on joints, especially knees and ankles. They can be consumed boiled, scrambled, or as an ingredient in various recipes. Combining egg whites with vitamin C-rich foods, e.g., citrus fruits, green vegetables, can enhance proline and glycine action, accelerating collagen production and absorption. 12. White beans. White beans are an excellent source of zinc and copper, two minerals essential as cofactors in collagen formation. They activate enzymes that stimulate the body's natural collagen production, crucial for protecting joints and preventing degenerative processes. Both minerals also possess strong anti-inflammatory properties, directly addressing leg swelling. Zinc aids in tissue regeneration, relieving joint pain and stiffness, beneficial for those with arthritis or natural joint wear. Copper is vital for blood vessel formation and joint elasticity, improving circulation and reducing fluid buildup in the legs and ankles. Additionally, white beans provide fiber and plant-based protein, contributing to glycemic control and satiety, which supports overall metabolic balance and can reduce joint overload. 11. Coconut water. Coconut water is a potent natural source of electrolytes, such as potassium and magnesium, which help combat swelling and maintain tissue hydration. Proper hydration is essential for joints, as synovial fluids which protect them rely on it. This leads to less friction between bones and reduced pain. The potassium in coconut water also aids in regulating blood pressure and circulation, minimizing fluid retention and the sensation of heavy legs. Furthermore, coconut water possesses mild anti-inflammatory properties that can ease minor joint pains and assist in muscle recovery by reducing oxidative stress. By keeping cells nourished and hydrated, coconut water supports collagen metabolism, allowing collagen to function more efficiently within the joints. 10. Purple fruits. Purple-colored fruits like blackberries, blueberries, and dark grapes are rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that helps preserve the body's existing collagen by protecting its fibers from degradation by free radicals. This is crucial for maintaining long-term joint health and functionality. Anthocyanins also exhibit potent anti-inflammatory action. These fruits are also natural sources of resveratrol, another powerful antioxidant that improves blood circulation, thereby reducing leg swelling and enhancing tissue oxygenation, which supports the regeneration of ligaments and cartilage. The fiber content in these fruits aids in blood sugar regulation and weight control, further reducing pressure on joints. 9. Kale, a dark green leafy vegetable, is rich in vitamin K, essential for bone health and blood vessel integrity. Vitamin K helps calcium bind to bones and prevents arterial calcification, leading to stronger joints and more efficient circulation, which is vital for reducing leg swelling. Vitamin K also participates in anti-inflammatory processes. Combined with vitamins C and A, also present in kale, it forms a robust defense against joint degeneration. Kale's chlorophyll content aids in bodily detoxification, which can make collagen metabolism more efficient. Furthermore, its magnesium and potassium content helps control blood pressure, improving circulation in the legs and reducing feelings of heaviness. 8. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are abundant in vitamin E, a natural antioxidant that protects existing collagen fibers in the body from rapid breakdown, helping maintain joint firmness and functionality. Vitamin E also combats free radicals that promote joint inflammation. Selenium, present in significant amounts, directly impacts the immune system and inflammatory processes, reducing joint pain and leg swelling and aiding cartilage reconstruction. Regular consumption can also improve skin elasticity in the legs. These versatile seeds can be added to salads, yogurt, or smoothies, or eaten as a snack. Unsalted, raw, or lightly toasted versions are preferable. 7. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the richest natural sources of selenium, a mineral essential for collagen synthesis and proper immune function. Selenium protects collagen fibers from premature wear, and its antioxidant action reduces joint inflammation. Just one Brazil nut can often provide the recommended daily intake. They also contain healthy fats that help keep joints lubricated and skin elastic, and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like E and A, which are crucial for strong, active collagen. Brazil nuts can improve blood circulation, which is beneficial for reducing leg swelling and the feeling of heaviness. The magnesium content helps relax muscles and joints, alleviating tension and pain. Due to their calorie density, consumption should be moderate, 1 or 2 per day. 6. Acerola. Acerola is exceptionally rich in vitamin C, an indispensable nutrient for collagen production. Without adequate vitamin C, the body cannot efficiently synthesize collagen, directly impacting the health of joints, skin, and connective tissues. Vitamin C also possesses strong anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce joint pain and swelling naturally. Furthermore, acerola strengthens the immune system, which is linked to joint health, as a balanced immune system responds better to inflammation and has a greater regenerative capacity. It can be consumed raw, in juices, or in smoothies. 5. Cucumber with skin. Cucumber, particularly with its skin, is an excellent source of silica, a mineral essential for collagen production. Silica acts as a cofactor in forming collagen fibers, maintaining joint elasticity and integrity, which can help with stiffness or cracking. It also contributes to skin firmness. Cucumber's high water content promotes cellular hydration and toxin elimination, reducing leg swelling. The skin contains most of the silica and fiber, which improves intestinal transit and nutrient absorption. Cucumber is also rich in vitamin K, important for vascular health, thereby improving leg circulation and reducing fatigue.